Hello friends, today we'll see the practical, that is microscopic comparison and determination of medullary index of animal and human hair. For this we require the hair samples, which here we are taking the human and the rabbit hair, then compound microscope, slides, cover slip, ocular micrometer scale, stage micrometer scale, and glycerin or the oil. Now this is the theory. Basically, a hair consists of a slender thread-like structure, and it is nothing but the outgrowth which comes from the skin. So it composed of mainly the three parts, that is cuticle, medulla, and the cortex. So the shaft part which is present above the skin, and the root part which is embedded inside the skin. So both we can extract the DNA for the profiling. Okay, here we are actually dealing with the medullary index. We are going to calculate the medullary index. So what is the formula for it? Medullary index is the width of the medulla upon width of the cortex. Okay, now if this medullary index is less than 0.33, then it is human hair. If the medullary index is 0.5 or greater than that, then that is said to be the animal hair. Now this is the characteristics of the hair that we are going to we used to study that or do the comparison under the microscope. For calculating the medullary index, this is the procedure. First of all, we have to take a micrometer scale and we have to adjust that onto the stage of compound microscope. Here you can see that there is a circle, and inside it a small scale is there, where you will find that the one division of it is 0.01 mm, means 10 micrometer, and in this way you can see that there are 100 divisions present onto the stage micrometer scale. Actually here you can see the numbers, but actually there is no numbers given onto the stage micrometer scale. Okay, now one division is the space between any two divisions, and that one division is how much? 10 micrometer, means 100 divisions means it is 1000 micrometer. Now after that you have to place the ocular micrometer scale with into the eyepiece of the compound microscope, and you have to do the calibration with the stage micrometer scale. Okay, now here you can see that the stage micrometer scale, which consists of 100 divisions, it is coinciding the 40 divisions of the ocular micrometer scale. Okay, and in this way you can say that the 40 ocular divisions of the ocular micrometer scale is equal to 1000 micrometer. So what is the one ocular division then? So you can calculate it by just dividing crosswise, and you will get the 25 micrometer. One ocular division is equal to 25 micrometer. So now we know that the one division is of 25 micrometer. Okay, after that take a slide, take a hair sample, and you can, before that we have to wash the hair sample, put a drop of glycerin onto the slide, and put the hair onto the slide, and then put a cover slip and observe it under the microscope. When you will observe it under the microscope, you will see that you can clearly see the medulla part, the cortex part. Okay, so this is the end of the cortex. So we have to see where it actually coincides. So here you can see that this is the cortex region, and it is coinciding here. Okay, so you can say that how much divisions the, so here you can see how much division the cortex has. Okay, and how much division the medulla has. So you can see here the medulla, it consists of one division. Okay, and this cortex consists of 5 divisions. So we know that one ocular division is equal to 25 micrometer. So medullary index is what? What is the formula for medullary index? It is nothing but the width of medulla upon width of cortex. So width of medulla is one division, which is 25 micrometer, and width of cortex is 5 division, which is 5 into 25, that is 125. And after that you can get the result, that is 0.2, means it is less than 0.5, so it is a human hair. Now next we can take of animal hair, next sample, and here you can see that this part is what, this is the cortex, where the cortex coincide. This is actually the medulla part where it coincides, or it consists of this divisions, right? Okay, now we know that again the one division, already we have calibrated that the one division is equal to 25 micrometer, and this is the formula. So here you can see that the width of the medulla is having 3 divisions, okay, and that is 25 micrometer, and width of the cortex is 5 division, that is 5 into 25 means 125. So here you can see that 75 upon 125, that is 0.6. So it is greater than 0. So we can say that it is animal hair, and definitely we know here it is animal hair. But when we don't know, then based upon this calculation we can say that whether it is of human hair or the animal hair. Now the hair sample, what is the result? We have seen the calculated the medullary index of the human and the rabbit, and we found that it is 0.2 to 0.6. okay. Now what is the forensic significance of it? Hair is very important trace evidence in case of forensics. The discovery of hair on the body of victim or on the clothes of the someone who has been the victim of an assault can often be used for the determination of the race and sex of the person also. It can also be used to extrapolate the DNA from the root and the mitochondrial DNA from the shrub for the comparison. And in wildlife forensic also we can use this method to identify the species, but we need to study more morphological characters and have to make a reference database so that we can compare the unknown samples with the reference one. Thank you.